If you want to add Shopify theme on your Shopify store, then this video only for you. Okay, at first you have to click on online store. Here you can see that some options. First option is themes. Here you can see that some theme here already. This theme is published. If you want to see our current store, just click on here, and you can see our website. I wanna customize this website. You can see that this is not so much professional. I wanna make a professional website. At first, click here at theme, and if you Shopify theme, then you can click here upload zip file. Okay, and next add file. You can see that I have some file. You can see this zip file booster. Booster is one of the most popular theme, Shopify theme, Okay, open. Then it's uploading and upload file. Here is maximum size is 50 MB, and my theme is below 4 MB. Okay, installing a theme, and it's loading. Just wait some time, and when it will be done, here you can see this button will be visible. It's visible now, and then you can publish or customize. So thank you for being a partner of my channel. Thank you.